To access the swim ladder, you'll open the hatch that's just inside the dive door by spinning the T-handle. Once the hatch is open, you'll look down and see your swim ladder. To pull it out, you'll need to pull straight up on it. This allows it to swing out and over the side. The second stage of the ladder gets folded down for deeper access into the water. To retrieve the ladder, you'll fold the second stage up onto the ladder that's going to fold into the boat. Then you'll pick up on it, raise it, and let it go into the space that it came out of. Once it's into its space, close the hatch, lock the T-handle, and you're ready to go.